Good morning everybody and welcome to a brand new vlog. I'm not in the kitchen. I'm normally in the kitchen, but I'm just getting ready to go out and get my eyebrows done because they are looking awful. So I can't wait to go and see my girl Brooke, who does amazing job on my lashes. She does my lash lift. And she also does my eyebrows, and my eyebrows grow like I can have them done and then I need them redone like 2 weeks later. They always look like this, so I always book in for every two weeks. So I'm on my 2 week appointment. So it's just an eyebrow wax, so I need to get that done. I need to take my mum out shopping and I will then come back and crack on with the rest of the kitchen. So I'm going to give you a little update of what I've been doing because I've been working at the same time as doing this renovation, so I've not always had time to film anything. So apologies if I've missed bits and bobs, but I think it might be a good that I haven't filmed a lot of it because there's a lot more updates to show you. I'm going to finish getting ready and then show you downstairs and then head out. So lots to do. Okay, an update. I have sanded down or re-sanded down these doors. We took the cabinets off the cabinets. We took the cabinet doors off the cabinets because we're going to change the brackets. So it means that we can get into the bits that we couldn't get into when they were hung on the door. So we're going to do it properly. I'm going to one by one take them out of the garage. I was hoping to paint them in the garage, but it's just too dusty and dirty in here. So the kitchen is pretty much clear now. So I'm going to bit by bit take each one in and just do the first coat of paint on these cabinets. So I just got done with Brooke and my lashes look so much. Didn't have my lashes done, and that's in a couple of weeks. I've just got my brows just retouched. So she normally shapes them and waxes and threads and tints, but in between I get my brows waxed because they just grow so quickly in between. And we've just had a look at the appointment. It was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago was the last time I was in getting my brows, and how bad were they? So yeah, absolutely thrilled with my brows. So I'm in the car and I'm gonna go and pick up my mum, take her shopping, and then get back to kitchen duties. Ugh. I'm so sorry. I was gasping for that cup of tea. I left the house today without my coffee or my tea, and I've been gasping all morning for my lips to go round a mug. If you know me well, you'll know I drink tea in ridiculous amounts of quantities. So I'm home now. I've had a lovely morning. I took my mum out and did daughter duties by taking her to get her weekly shop. And I've had a Pamper sesh with Brooke. She's done my eyebrows and I love them. So I'm gonna get dressed and get on my DIY clubber. I'll give you a quick update of the kitchen before I get started. I've done the cabinet doors. I did them before I quickly left, which is why I didn't get my cup of tea, because I thought, yeah, I'll just crack on with painting the cabinet doors because that then could dry. We've painted the kitchen walls, so I'll show you the colour that's on the walls. And then we've got the new sockets being fitted as well today. I ordered some chrome ones because we originally had plastic ones. So I'll show you all the updates and then I'll get dressed. Yeah, I'll show you the updates first and then I'll get dressed. I haven't edged up properly because the cornice is going around here and it's looking so much brighter. and fresher. Normally this room is quite dingy and dark, but oh, and this is the wall that I patched up. It's done so well. It's you know, a fridge freezer is going to go there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I was hoping it would be a lot smoother than that, but I did only use polyfiller. I'm really pleased with the colour. This is Skimming Stone from Farrell & Ball, and it went on like a dream. I used one of those pads, and although you use a lot of paint, it went on easier than a roller, but the same as a roller, if that makes sense. So it spread easy like a roller, but you do use a little bit more paint. I've also just been told that the gas engineer is coming today, so I'm going to have to move the fridge freezer quickly across the other side where the new fridge freezer will go, because that's just in the way and they need to bring bits and bobs in and out. So we're finally going to be getting our new gas hob and oven fitted. So that will be done today simultaneously with the sockets. So I'll get that moved, so that's done, and then I'll show you the sockets that are going in as well. Sockets are now going to be changed. They're perfectly fine, but we want to update them a little bit. They're the plastic sockets currently, and then we're going to change them to these chrome ones, make it a little bit more up to date, a little bit more modern. But also we got, when we were painting the tiles, we got paint all over them where we didn't unscrew them or tape them up properly. So yeah, our cutting in skills by that point wasn't that great, but I'm looking forward to these shiny new sockets being put in. Brand new hinges. So when we were painting, we discovered that we were getting paint on the hinges, and a lot of them were like really rusty and they were just old. And I kind of just googled soft close hinges, because that would have been nice and would have been a nice feature to have in a brand new kitchen. Soft close hinges, so your doors are soft close. And I wondered if you could buy them just separately, and you can. So we've just ordered some soft close hinges. I think it's Haffel, I think that's how you pronounce it. But the Haffel ones, apparently they're really good. That's a good hardware brand. And we're just going to attach them. All you need to do is measure your door depth, and then you can get the brackets to fit them. So I'm going to put these on the cabinet doors now. So you can order them either individually, or you can buy like 2 hinges for X amount, or you can buy a box full. And I think this is a box full of 20, so I think there's 20 hinges in here. And they weren't that expensive, to be honest. I think these were £15 for a box of 20. I'll obviously link everything down below, but for a box of 20, we get brand new hinges, and it will feel like a up-to-date kitchen. So all the modern cons of a brand new kitchen, but obviously on a upcycle budget. These brackets also come with a chrome cover plate, so you pop that in the cabinet, and then this sits over the top, and then you can't see the screws. So there's going to be a nice seamless finish. can't believe how quickly this day has gone. We are now in the evening. I mean, a lot has been done. A lot has been done, and I'm really, really happy with the progress. So the hinges are on the cabinet doors, and then we've hung the cabinet doors onto the cabinet frame, which was a nightmare, I'm not gonna lie. Not because of the hinges, there wasn't anything difficulty with the hinges, it was just the placement of, well, I think a combination of the fact that the carcass is a bit old and there's some wear and tear, and trying to put them new hinges on something that was there before, like holes that were there before. There was a little bit of maneuvering, shall we say, but they're on and they look great. I've put a gold knob that I've got some like leftover knobs from IKEA that is on some other furniture that we have, and I wanted to just play around to see if I liked the gold hardware on the cabinet doors, and I do. I thought I might go for like either a dark bronze or a brass, and I quite like the idea of the brass, so I'm just looking online now for some new hardware. I definitely want the knob, like a small little knob. I think that delicate knob would look great. How many times am I going to say knob? I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for now. I will take you into the kitchen and show you. However, the light bulb has gone, so it's very dark in there, so you're not going to be able to see anything, so I'm going to have to show you in the morning. So while because that's happened, I'm going to now jump on here, have a look. I'm on plank hardware at the moment, and there's a few little few kind of like ideas that I'm playing around with what hardware and what handles I'm going to be using. So I'll let you know probably in the next vlog, because I'm going to leave it here. Today's vlog I'm going to leave here because there's not much to show you. Well, I can't show you much, and I'm just going to browse online anyway, and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog here and catch up with you in the morning. But before I go, I just wanted to have a little look at this knob, because I quite like this knob here. This little beauty here, how cute is that? And it's got 30% off at the moment, so I think I'm going to go with this one here. I'm definitely going to go with this one here. I feel this is the one.